Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'll be your tour guide today. Keep your curiosity wide open as we explore, discover, and enjoy the journey together. On my right, you can see history standing tall, a reminder of where we came from and why it must be protected. This is where tour guides are needed most. Heritage sites, museums, cities, beaches, and mountains. Every place with a story waiting to be told. On my left, you'll find culture in motion, local people, traditions, and livelihoods. As guides, we meet the need of every traveler. Information, safety, comfort, and connection. This is SDG8, promoting decent work through tourism. Straight ahead, notice how we dress. Comfortable, professional, and respectful of the environment. Our clothing shows we are prepared, reliable, and proud ambassadors. And if you look around, you'll see why responsible guiding matters. By protecting heritage and communities, we support SDG 11. By encouraging respect and sustainability, we stand for SDG 12. Enjoy the journey and thank you.